Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today we are making my favorite Italian dessert, tiramisu. We have 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 eggs, 300 milliliters of coffee, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of dark chocolate, half shot of rum and 150 grams of finger sponge biscuits, Savoiardi. Separate egg whites from yolks. Add 50 grams of sugar to the egg yolks. Whisk the mixture for a couple of minutes. We can stop when the mixture becomes a pale yellow. Add the mascarpone, a little at a time, and whisk gently. We can stop whisking when the mixture is smooth and without lumps. Whip the egg white. When they are slightly whipped, add 50 grams of sugar, a little at a time. We can stop whipping when the egg whites will not move if you turn the bowl over. Add a first spoon of stiffened egg white in the mascarpone and egg yolk mixture and mix. Continue to add a little at a time and mix slowly from the bottom to the top until smooth and creamy. Our mascarpone cream is ready. Pour the coffee in a bowl. Add the rum and mix. Dip quickly Savoiardi into the coffee, just few seconds. Now we can assemble the tiramisu. Spread mascarpone cream on the bottom of the container. Make a layer of Savoiardi, all in the same direction. Cover with mascarpone cream. Add another layer of Savoiardi. Cover with more mascarpone cream. Cut the chocolate bar in flakes and sprinkle it on top of the tiramisu. Our tiramisu is ready. Now we cover and we put in the fridge for at least 2 hours. The best thing to do is prepare the tiramisu the day before and eat it the day after. After a few hours in the fridge, our tiramisu is ready. Let's try it. What do you think? Is it good? Yes, it is. Try it.